This year, let us set our sights on new goals. Let us reach higher. Let us reimagine the extent to which Vanderbilt can be a force for understanding and innovation and a source of insight and understanding for our region and for the world. And then let us bring this vision to life with all the speed and grit and camaraderie we know so well.
Chancellor Diermeier and I are fully committed to ushering in this new era of achievement for you, our faculty. Whether you just joined Vanderbilt or are celebrating decades of service at this university, this year marks a distinct threshold and a turning point in terms of our shared trajectory of possibility.
Going into this year, confident in our incredible achievements over the last year, I challenge you to think about how you can raise the bar for yourself, for Vanderbilt, and for our community. How can you set our aspirations higher? And then how can we, as one university community, be even bolder, more agile, and more willing to take chances in our own way? We have seen that we are capable of so much more than we knew.